Welcome. Sikri Karaikudi requirement 2025. 12 project assistant posts are required. Date of interview 24/12/2025. Qualification BSc, MSc, BE, ME, MTech and post name project associate and project assistant. It is a central government job and at the same time it is only for in contract basis. Place of posting Karaikudi in near Trichirappalli. Date of interview 24/12/2025. Apply mode is offline. The method of selection is a walk-in interview. Applications are available in sikri.res.in. Venue Sikri Chennai unit, Taramani, Chennai. Interview will appear in Chennai. Thank you.